Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to put a live wallpaper on your PC Windows 10.
Warning, whatever you see in this video is only for informational purposes. This websites have not linked with me. And if your account got hacked, or you got scammed due to visiting these sites, I won't be responsible, so visit these sites and download this apps at your own risk.
So first of all, search live wallpaper. After searching live wallpaper, find Meowl's website. Click this website. After clicking it, click your favorite wallpaper. If you have chosen your wallpaper, scroll down and click here and press click here. Download MoWall. Select your folder. After installing MoWalls, install your wallpaper. If you have installed your wallpaper, unzip the MoWalls like this. Click MoWalls and press exact, then choose your folder, where it will unzip. Then delete the zipped file because it's useless. Open the unzip folder and click MoWall. Click Create Project. Then press Choose Folder and select your live wallpaper. Name it and press Add. Then click OK. And here you have a live moving wallpaper.